Gonna get a view this time from inside the airplane instead of from on top of the airplane.
Today we're going to maiden flight my Pay the Piper Cherokee. Brand new Grayson Hobby Microjet version 3.
Gonna get a view this time from inside the airplane instead of from on top of the airplane.
It's always got to be windy.
The Wright brothers chose Kill Devil Hill for the win.
Today we're going to maiden flight my Pay the Piper Cherokee. Brand new Grayson Hobby Microjet version 3.
It's airborne, and that's a good sign. So did it kind of do everything you wanted it to do?
Well, the prop stopped going, and when I went to check on it after I landed it, there was smoke inside the fuselage. So it was flying great for the first prototype of Pay the Piper Cherokee 140.
Okay.
But, and this is a brand new motor, and I used to use the Grayson Hobby 10 years ago with my original channel, Electro RC, and I've always loved it. But this is smoking. Three-cell battery with a 6x4 and a 2-cell battery with a 10x3.8 prop. I got a 6x4 and a 3. I don't know why that happened. Let's throttle cut is on. Let's give it a smell. Yeah, that's not a good smell. That's a shame. So I guess it was a fairly successful flight, though. It flew quite well, but we're going to have to hook up some new electronics in this one. That's about it for this one. Have a good one. Later on. The motor,
So you tell if it was the battery or the motor?
is a little warm. I'm pretty sure it was the ESC. So that's electronic speed control. So that's what it's called.
The motor or separate?
It is the equivalent of the throttle on the car. No, it's separate from the motor. It is the part that you hook the battery goes into a, electronic chip with a heat sink on it.
Oh, okay.
So unless it just got too hot, it does feel warm, and the motor feels warm but not too hot to touch, but warmer than I think it should be. So I'm a little confused here.